Hi guys and welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make some Scotch eggs. Let's begin. So first you'll want to boil your eggs, and to do this you'll just want to place your eggs into some boiling water and leave them there for around 7 minutes, then take them out and put them into a bowl of cold water. This is just to help the process of them cooling down, and to remove the shells it makes it much easier. So once your eggs are cool enough to the touch, you can then crack the shell and start to peel it off. Be careful not to peel some of the egg away underneath, as this did happen to one or two of mine at the start. But then once you get all of the shell off, you'll then want to put them into some more cold water away from this bowl. You will want to repeat this for all of your eggs. You only need 5 in total, but I did some additional ones as I was doing something else with the others. So you'll want to get your sausage meat and break off equal amounts. I didn't weigh or measure mine, I just eyeballed it and they all seem to have a good amount. You'll then want to put your egg in and just work the sausage meat around the egg until it's all coated, and then roll it to make it more rounded. And you'll want to repeat this for the remainder of your eggs. If the sausage meat becomes a bit sticky to work with, just use a bit of plain flour and this will combat that. So here are what they look like at the moment. You know, it's a boiled egg wrapped in raw meat. What else can I say? So now you can start to get your flour, your egg and your breadcrumbs ready by putting them into 3 different bowls, big enough for you to roll the egg in. So first you'll want to start with the flour, then dipping it into the egg and into the breadcrumbs, making sure that it gets a generous coat of each one. Repeat this for all of your Scotch eggs. So once your oil has come to temperature, you will then want to put your Scotch eggs into it and fry them off for around 8 to 10 minutes. I found that around 8.5 minutes was perfect for me, but you may need additional time or you may need less time to work with your fryer. They do get quite dark quite quickly, but don't worry, this is normal. So here is what they look like once they are done and fully cooled down. You can eat them warm, but they are best enjoyed cold. So thank you so much for watching, I hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more from me, and I'll be back next week with another video, so join me then. If you have any video suggestions for the future, leave them in the comments down below, or check out my social medias and message me over there. I will leave all the links down below, and if you want to make this, I will leave the blog post down below in the description, so check out the description for all of the links that you may need for this video. That's it for this week, bye guys.